Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best glove oil is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked products for any serious baseball or softball player looking to maximize the performance and lifespan of their gloves, acting as a crucial conditioning agent that penetrates the leather to keep it supple, prevent cracking, and enhance its natural feel, ultimately leading to a glove that forms perfectly to your hand for superior control and confidence on the field. Number 5. Rhino Wax Baseball Glove Oil. This oil quickly absorbs into the leather, hydrating it to become soft and malleable. It's perfect for use on both new and old gloves, ensuring optimal condition. Designed for rapid break-in, this premium oil makes it easier to catch balls. Improve your game with gloves that feel game-ready in no time. Simply apply the oil to your glove with a microfiber cloth, rubbing it gently into the entire leather surface. Use it after cleaning and before conditioning for best results. This treatment prolongs the life and durability of your leather glove. Protect your investment and keep your equipment in top condition for longer. Crafted with premium cold-pressed castor oil and vitamin E, it's safe for both you and your equipment. Enjoy the benefits of natural ingredients. This product is proudly made in the USA, ensuring quality and supporting domestic manufacturing. Feel confident in the origin of your glove care product. What we like. This product is designed to quickly soften and hydrate your glove's leather, significantly reducing the time it takes to break in a new mitt. If you're looking for a fast and effective way to get your glove game ready, this is a great choice. Its natural ingredients also ensure it's safe for both you and your equipment. What people say. Took the team catcher's mitts home for a weekend and washed and oiled them. Coach was shocked the next practice how improved the old-duty Little League gloves were. Great glove oil. Plan on doing the same with the same bottle this year. I conditioned 5 gloves with the bottle and could probably do 3 or 4 more with it. So far I like it a lot. Takes really good care of the leather and doesn't change the color as bad as some other conditioners. Drizzle it on the glove or on your brush and wipe into the leather. Lasts a while unless of course you're getting mud or lots of water on your glove. Number 4. Rhino Wax Baseball Glove Conditioner Kits. Keep your baseball glove in top condition with our all-in-one maintenance kits. We offer 3 distinct kits designed to clean, condition, and preserve your gear. Baseball gloves are a significant investment. Our kits help extend the life of your mitt by keeping it hydrated, preventing drying and cracking. We use high-quality formulations to hydrate, soften, and preserve your glove. You can trust the ingredients because we clearly list everything that goes into our products. Using our kit is simple. Apply the glove oil with the microfiber cloth, then use the dauber brush for the conditioner, ensuring every part of your glove is covered. Our baseball standard kit includes everything you need: 8 ounces of glove oil, 4 ounces of glove conditioner, a horsehair dauber brush, and a microfiber cloth. Feel confident knowing that our products are proudly made right here in the USA. What we like. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to clean, condition, and maintain your baseball glove. If you want a convenient, all-in-one solution to protect your expensive glove and extend its lifespan, this bundle is ideal. It ensures your mitt stays hydrated and prevents drying or cracking. What people say. Great stuff, great material, and so helpful breaking in a couple of gloves. Even after 30 years the gloves started to soften up and I've been using it to play catch with my son. I'm going to keep up on the conditioner and will oil it to get it a little softer to get it game ready for him. Rhino Wax has made my glove look new and has given it a soft, supple feel to it. This stuff really works, and even though you put glove oil on it, it does not make it feel greasy or anything like that. Number 3. Rolitwils Baseball Glove Break-In Kit. Ready to play like a pro? This kit has everything you need to perfectly shape your new baseball glove to match your unique playing style. Our glove mallet is crafted from solid wood, ensuring the ball end stays securely attached. You can trust its durability for all your break-in needs. Breaking in your glove has never been easier. Our wrap is quick to apply and remove, saving you time and effort. Avoid damaging your glove with risky methods like steam or hot water. This kit is designed to effectively break in and mold gloves for both softball and baseball. The wrap helps maintain the pocket shape and speeds up the process. Make your new glove more comfortable with our easy-to-use tools. Use the mallet to soften the leather and the handle to separate stuck fingers. The included ball and strap create the perfect pocket. This comprehensive kit includes a glove mallet, 2 wraps, a training ball, and 6 glove locks. Get ready to experience a perfectly broken-in glove. What we like. This kit offers a user-friendly approach to breaking in your glove without the risks associated with heat or water. If you prefer a hands-on method to perfectly shape your glove to your playing style, this is the perfect solution. The solid wood mallet and easy-to-use wrap ensure a secure and effective break-in process. What people say. Works great for my son. Took him about a week to break in his glove quicker than norm. This is a great item to use to break in a new baseball mitt. Wood mallet has held up well after using it on about 7 different leather gloves. Number 2. Rhino Wax Baseball Glove Conditioner. Introducing Rhino Wax, the premium conditioner designed to keep your baseball and softball gloves in peak condition. It's the perfect addition to any glove break-in kit. This balm deeply moisturizes your glove, softening the leather to speed up the break-in process. It helps maintain the suppleness of new gloves and restore older ones. Experience improved flexibility and performance with regular use. It's specially formulated to meet the specific needs of adult and youth players. Protect your investment and extend the life of your glove. Consistent application ensures it stays in top condition for seasons to come. Simply apply and work it into the leather, allowing it to penetrate. Crafted with natural ingredients like castor oil, shea butter, and beeswax for effective care. What we like. This conditioner deeply moisturizes and softens leather, making it ideal for breaking in new gloves or restoring old, neglected ones. If you're looking to improve your glove suppleness and flexibility, or bring a worn-out mitt back to life, this product is an excellent option. It's designed to keep your glove in optimal condition with regular use. What people say. Breaks in and protects leather. Leaves a supple yet slightly tacky pocket to hold that dang ball. It's like a wax which only conditions the leather but protects it from absorbing dirt and water. Also leaves semi-tacky surface which makes leads to more secure catches. Number 1. Rhino Wax Ultimate Softball Glove Break-In Kit. Introducing the ultimate kit designed to get your softball glove game ready. It includes everything you need for a perfect break-in. This bundle comes with glove oil, conditioner, a specialized mallet, a glove wrap, a brush, and a microfiber cloth. All essentials are in one convenient package. Speed up the break-in process significantly. Hydrate the leather, shape it with the mallet and wrap, and protect it with conditioner for optimal performance. The included mallet is perfectly sized like a softball to help you form the ideal pocket. This means more catches and fewer errors on the field. Our glove wrap is designed to fit any softball glove, from catcher's mitts to outfielder's gloves. It's ideal for players of all ages and skill levels. Crafted with quality and care, this kit is proudly made in the USA. Get ready for your best season yet with a perfectly broken-in glove. What we like. Specifically designed for softball gloves, this ultimate kit includes everything needed to speed up the break-in process and create the perfect pocket. If you're a softball player looking for a convenient package to quickly get your glove game ready, this bundle is for you. The softball-sized mallet ensures optimal shaping for more catches and fewer errors. What people say. The glove oil is effective in breaking in new gloves, making them more pliable and easier to use. It helps to condition the leather, preventing it from drying out and cracking over time, thus extending the glove's lifespan. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.